Hi, I'm Amana Azur. I'm staffing specialist with TemPositions Health Care. We're looking for great candidates like you to join our team. Check out our latest opportunity.
We have a great opportunity for registered nurses. A few responsibilities include assessing the physical, social, and psychological needs and environmental conditions of patients, managing and coordinating all aspects of the assigned caseload, establishing, implementing, and revising a plan of care with input from appropriate multidisciplinary health team members, and initiating and maintaining written and verbal communications with team members and management to assure optimal patient care. If you have a license and current registration to practice as a registered professional nurse and a minimum of 1 year of clinical nursing experience, you could be a great fit for this role.
So we are aiming to fill this role immediately, so this opening won't last long. Apply soon. I'm looking forward to meeting you.